But it's day after track day. After nearly losing the front end, I think it might be time to show you just how bad the suspension is on this motorcycle. I don't think there's any oil in it. Have a look at this. So we're just going to grab the front end. It's even bad on the back end. Look at this. So today we're going to pull it up on the hoist, change all the oils out and hopefully improve safety, traction and handling. Oh. Got those here. Some more unnerving discovery. I'd looked in at the brake pads. As you can see, there's still a bit of meat on these brake pads, although they are horribly dirty. Hadn't really made it a priority. What I'd completely forgotten to consider was that somebody could have swapped out one set of brake pads and not the other. So we might as well have been running on half fucking brakes. That is just disgusting. Nothing left. Oh no. But other than that, looking in here, I've got a little bit of a spot of oil just down there on the back underneath there, which is potentially a problem, but I don't think it's going to be that big a deal. But everything else looks pretty fucking good. I'm happy. There's some delicious fork oil, isn't it? And it's 100ml short of the required volume. You can see it when it hits
120,
there.
140
it's just
short.
Metallic spreading out in it. Ooh, it's lovely.